Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily create a Wix blog website. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account, then click on Create New Site here, which will open a new tab. You can choose if you want the help of AI or not with setting up your blog. For the type of website, just click on Blog right here, then click Continue. You can choose to skip these questions because you can just customize your blog later on. Next, on the top right corner, click on Design Site, where you can choose to pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. For the purpose of this video, I chose to pick a template because Wix has a lot of templates available. And I will just choose a random one like this one and click on Edit. This will lead you to the Wix website editor where you have a bunch of tools to use in customizing your blog, like on this left panel here. This is where you can also find AI tools so you can customize with the help of AI. You can also click on Quick Edit here or Manage Post if you want to add a new blog post. This will bring you to a new tab where you can create your post, store your drafts, etc. Once you're done customizing, just click on Publish here on the top right corner so your blog can go live. And that is how you can create a Wix blog website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.